About 7 years ago, I posted a video on YouTube of some really fast Rubik's Cube solves, including this 8-second solve.
Woo-hoo-hoo!
It occurred to me that some people might not think I'm still able to do this, so I got out my camera and filmed some more solves. I got several 9-second solves, but then I realized in the old video I had an 8-second solve. So I should probably get an 8-second solve this time, right? I tried and tried and tried and tried, and finally I got this amazing solve. Okay, well, the camera wasn't really pointed directly at the cube, so it's kind of hard to see. So I decided to get out a better camera and film some more really fast solves under 10 seconds. Here you go.
I wonder if maybe I should wash these, like if they go bad fast or not.
She's got a 952.
Nice, that's good.
Anyway, I hope you enjoyed watching these super fast, under 10 seconds Rubik's Cube solves. Thank you for watching my video and have a great day.